Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the earbuds and case have juice. Aim for 20% or more to avoid interruptions. Next, open the case right beside your phone or laptop, and if the model has a pairing button, press it for 2 to 3 seconds so the earbuds enter pairing mode. On your device, turn Bluetooth on and watch for the HP earbuds in the device list. Once you see them tap to connect, make sure to accept any permission prompts so audio and controls work correctly. Once connected, you should see a connected status. If not, toggle Bluetooth and try again. Install the HP Companion app when available because it delivers firmware updates, EQ presets, and gesture customization, updating firmware fixes, performance, and battery estimates. In the app, assign left and right functions, enable notification access, and set a voice assistant shortcut if desired. Make sure to test play/pause and volume controls so you for daily use, rely on tactile gestures. Single taps control play and pause while double or triple taps handle tracks or calls. Practice them so you're fluent. If audio cuts out or pairing fails, reset the earbuds by holding the case or earbud button for about 10 seconds, then repair. This clears cached pairings. Finally, always return the earbuds to the case after use to charge. A quick 10 to 15-minute top-up can give you hours more listening rather than waiting for a full charge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.